how to optimize WordPress website for SEO. So in this video, I'm going to show you and explain you step by step how you could make your website optimized for Google and your website would start ranking on the top pages of Google. So guys, let's get started. So guys, first things first, you need a WordPress website. As you could see over here, this is one sample WordPress website. So the way you can make your website SEO is go back on your dashboard. So this is my WordPress dashboard. Go over here. So first thing is install a plugin. So the plugin which I install is SEO. Okay, so once you install this plugin, just go over here on post. Okay, and then edit. So to SEO optimize your WordPress website, the first thing which you need is content. So you need to find a keyword. So this one is, let's say for example, I'm using Ubersuggest. So you need to find, first you need to write content, but on which topic would you write content? So basically you need to find a keyword which is low in competition and high in traffic, which means on Google that keyword is getting searched a lot, but there are less websites competing for that keyword. So for example, I can give you is, if I just go over here on yoga, so look, you can't make a content on yoga because a lot of websites are ranking for this keyword. Okay, so now what you could do is come over here, write down your keyword. As you could see over here, I've just searched this yoga poses. It's a free tool, Ubersuggest. So SEO difficulty, so make sure your SEO difficulty is less than, or it should be green. Higher the number, the more difficult it is to rank. So first thing is find a keyword which is really easy to rank. So if, let's say yoga poses for beginners, and write down the content. So as you could see over here, make sure the headline is there, paragraphs are there, pictures are there, you're linking it to Wikipedia, you're linking it to other websites. Once all of these things are done, so this is SEO. This is how your WordPress website would look on Google. So now my key phrase is yoga benefits. Okay, so this is my focus keyword, which is over here. Make sure my focus keyword is yoga benefits. It's over here as well. And then if you click on SEO analysis, it tells you everything. So green means everything's good, yellow means everything's not good. Okay, so it says SEO title width. If I just click over here, it will show me what is the SEO title width. So all the indicators are over here. So I'll just increase my SEO title width. So this is my SEO title width. This is how it looks on Google. Just click over here. So this is my title. Okay, backed by SCIENs. Okay, backed up by Science. So this is how it will look on Google, and you could see this indicator. Green means it's really good. Even this one, if I just remove this one, it's orange, which means it's not SEO optimized. Green is optimized. So everything would show over here. So now it says your key phrase or its synonyms do not appear on the first paragraph. So my first paragraph is surprising yoga benefits. So it is coming over here, right? So yoga, BENEFITS. So that's fine. Okay, make sure everything, if this is green, means everything's good to go. Everything can't be perfect. Okay, so that's it. So even over key phrase and title. So there are things which you can't do completely, but then make sure everything's green. Update it. Once this is done, that's it, guys. You just have to write article, and then at least write 5-6 articles, really good articles, and around 1000 to 2000 words. And then if I just go on preview, so this is my website, just click over here. Yoga surprising benefits on top. If you could see over here, yoga 40 surprising yoga benefits backed up by science, yoga. So this is how you optimize your website for SEO. So that's the first thing, guys. So now you have optimized your WordPress website. You have written all the article, low competition, high traffic key, like, you know, articles on your website. Now the second important thing is creating backlinks. Okay, so what are backlinks? High authority websites linking to your websites. Okay, so once they do that, so let's say for example, if you click on Wikipedia, if you just type wiki yoga, so this is how Wikipedia does it. So what they do is, they first thing is they interlink between each other. So if I do ancient India, so as you could see, they're interlinking between pages. And then what if one, so if I just scroll down over here, so what if one of this article is linking back to your website, let's say this website. So now if it links to your website, it shows Google that your website is really good, it's high authority, so your Google ranking would increase. So this is the second method to increase your search ranking. Okay, so creating backlinks. So you can create backlinks in Facebook, any of the social media websites. So for this thing, I've created a free course, you can go and check it out. I think so I'll just keep it till this video where I show you how you can optimize your website for SEO and creating backlinks or optimizing for Google search ranking. For the next step, I'm just gonna stop over there. The free course is down below, you can go and check it out. And I think so that's it for today's video. Yawar Khan signing off.